Get ready for a fun-filled adventure in Ajaccio with a variety of water activities available. Try exciting experiences like parasailing, jet skiing, and more as you explore the beauty of the city from the water. Ajaccio, Trésor de Lava Sea Excursion in Gulf of Lava. Neptune Cruise offers guests an extraordinary maritime adventure aboard the Trésor de Lava excursion, departing from Ajaccio or Porticcio. Upon arrival at Capo di Fano Beach, a breathtaking panorama unfolds. Golden sands, turquoise waters, and the soothing aroma of endemic flora create an idyllic Eden-like landscape. Ideal for relaxation and rejuvenation, the warm water temperatures exceed 26 degrees Celsius throughout the summer season. Upon reaching the stunning Capo di Fano Beach, guests can immerse themselves in this natural haven, exploring its pristine shores and serene lagoons. A unique diving opportunity awaits, featuring crystal-clear waters teeming with marine life. A mysterious treasure, crystalline water, and a multitude of fish. Narrates Neptune Cruise, capturing the essence of this captivating underwater world. Continuing our voyage, we navigate through the shimmering waters of the Gulf of Lava, a site rich in history and legend. This historic cove has been the subject of numerous discoveries over the years, including the legendary treasure said to lie beneath its sandy shores. Reports suggest that ancient coins and valuable artifacts date back to the 3rd century BCE. Although these claims remain unverified, the allure of uncovering this hidden gem remains irresistible. Guests are encouraged to don their gear, masks, fins, and snorkels, and embark on a guided snorkeling tour. This intimate exploration allows visitors to marvel at the natural wonders of the Gulf of Lava, observing vibrant coral reefs and diverse marine life. With each passing moment, the possibility of discovering more treasures grows tantalizingly closer. Neptune Cruise's state-of-the-art vessel is also equipped with an underwater scooter, offering an unparalleled experience beneath the crystal-clear waters of the Lava Cove. This exhilarating ride promises to transport guests to another world, providing a truly unforgettable encounter with nature's grandeur. Ajaccio, escape sea trip to Calanques de Piana. Neptune Cruise offers a luxurious sea trip to the enchanting Calanques de Piana, departing from Ajaccio or Porticcio. Our vessel glides along the western coastline, passing landmarks such as Capo di Fano and Calanques, eventually arriving at the captivating cliffs of Piana. The rugged rocks, weathered by aeons of erosion, form an awe-inspiring vista with hues ranging from pink to red and ochre, illuminated by the sun's rays. The crystal-clear waters beneath the cliffs create a striking contrast against the rugged terrain. Your expert skipper leads you through the Piana caves, offering a refreshing swim stop en route. The voyage continues to Capo Rosso, a magnificent rock arch, standing above 300 meters, inviting admiring guests to explore its natural swimming pools. From the sea aboard our semi-rigid boat, the panoramic view of this spectacular sight is unparalleled. Experience a truly unforgettable day at sea, immersing yourselves in the azure waters of these breathtaking natural pools. Ajaccio Sunset Sea Trip to Sanguinaires Islands. Neptune Cruise Ajaccio offers a serene sea expedition, featuring a sunset sea trip to the charming Sanguinaires Islands. Departing from Ajaccio's harbor, this exclusive voyage caters to small groups, providing an intimate atmosphere for a memorable experience. Upon arrival at the picturesque Sanguinaires Islands, guests can embark upon a guided exploration, accompanied by a taste of local delicacies and wines. This scenic visit allows visitors to immerse themselves fully in the unique flavors of the region. As the day transitions to twilight, Neptune Cruise's vessel returns to the water, offering a breathtaking panorama of the sunset over the Gulf of Ajaccio. Guests may even take advantage of the tranquil waters for a refreshing dip. Each evening provides a new spectacle, with the sun casting vibrant hues across the islands of the Sanguinaires archipelago. Neptune Cruises' captain ensures both visual splendor and gastronomic enjoyment, presenting a meticulously chosen menu of local specialties during each dining session.